All right, lesson 46. We're going to do the number maze level 2. So let's open up VxVR, and we are doing level 2. All right, get rid of all that stuff. Playground. Remember, on our playground, we are on wall maze. So we're going to switch this to wall maze. Wall maze. There you go. Put that on there. Okay, level 2. Yesterday we just solved the maze. Level 2 is we want to go in order 1, 2, 3, 4 and stay for 2 seconds. Stay for 2 seconds on the numbers. Okay? So a couple of things. All right. I am going to, my drive velocity, I'm going to jump that up to 77. My turn velocity, I'm going to jump that up to 77, just so it's a little faster. So I got to go from right here, I got to go to number 1 and wait 2 seconds. So I need to turn right 90 degrees. I'm going to go forward, let's guess 350. And then I'm going to need to turn left. -90 and let's say drive forward for 200. So if this is correct, I want to end up right here for right now. Let's see what we got. Turns, goes up. So this first part is too far. So let's jump this back to 250. So we turn, go forward. 250 is fine. That's fine. That's probably not enough. Let's go 250 on this. And then we're going to need to do a right. Now that gap looks like it's too long, so we're going to drive that, let's say 500. And then we're going to turn right. If we do it right, we're sitting here facing down. Let's see what we got. This is another reason why you want to speed up your velocity so you get it done faster. Okay, good. Yes. All right, perfect. Now I'm going to drive forward 200, and then I'm going to do another right. Actually, I want to make this 250. I'm going to do another right, and then I'm going to go forward. Let's grab this, go forward one more 250. So let's give this, we're right, we'll be sitting on number 1. And turn, good, turn. All right, perfect, we're sitting on number 1. Okay, now we want to wait here for 2 seconds. So we're going to go to control, and this top one is a wait. And we can set it for whatever we want, 2, 3, 4. Their suggestion was 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, then we need to work our way back to number 2. And to do that, all right, so we're going to turn around. We need to turn all the way around. So we're turning 180 degrees. Then I'm just going to rebuild this, but in reverse order. So 250, and that was turn right. So the opposite of that is going to be turn left 90 degrees. And then I'm going to drive forward for 250. All right. So if this is correct, we get there, and then we should be working our way backwards. It turns around, boom, goes left. All right, perfect. So we just finished this off to work our way backwards to go to number 2, number 3, and number 4. Don't forget to turn in a video. Okay. Oh, and we need to throw our comment up here that this is number maze level 2. Okay. Awesome.